Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change Messenger ringtone. So if you're using Android or iPhone, in Android you have the liberty to actually change a ringtone of that specific app. But in iPhone, in order to change it, you need to change the whole ringtone of every app that you use, right? So in order to change that, you could just go ahead into your settings, basically go ahead to the sounds and haptics. In the sounds and haptics, you're gonna see ringtone, and basically you're gonna just go ahead right here and see the ringtone is for calls and everything, and the text tone is for your texting messages. You can just go ahead and select that one, for example, or you can just choose whatever ringtone that you actually want, right? And basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna hear the same note or the same notification from that same ringtone basically on every different app. Alright, so this is the only way to actually pull this off. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.